Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Kith t-shirt. So this was purchased from the Kith store in Honolulu. And the shirt is called the Kith of Hearts t-shirt. So here's the label. Yep, Kith of Hearts tee in white medium. Very cool. Play on King of Hearts. Very nice, lucky poker shirt, I'm sure. It just has the logo in the upper left. There is nothing else on the back. It's a plain white tee. Show you all the tag and everything. So again, it's just this printed on the upper left. Simple. I like that it's simple. Check out the tag. More on the tag. I don't think there's anything else here actually. Yeah, nothing else here. But it does say their brand motto here if you're interested in reading. It does look like a pretty thin shirt, but we'll have to try it out to make sure. Made in Peru. Hopefully it's not ultra see-through where you can see, nipples and stuff. No one likes that. But yeah, overall, cool shirt. Let me know what you guys think of this shirt in the comment section below. Hope we're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.